Lesson 8.9, Problem Solving, Finding the Whole Group Using Unit Rates. Cameron has 4 clownfish in his fish tank. 1/3 of the fish in the tank are clownfish. How many fish does Cameron have in his tank? Remember that we use the cube strategy, which means that we are circling our information. So there are 4 clownfish in the tank. And then 1/3 of the fish in the tank are clownfish. How many fish does Cameron have in his tank? So the denominator in 1/3 tells you that there are 3 equal parts in the whole group. So draw circles to show 3 equal parts. Since 4 fish are 1/3 of the whole group, draw 4 counters in the first circle. Okay, since there are 4 counters in the first circle, draw 4 counters in the remaining circles, then find the total number of counters. So the first thing we were told to do is to draw 3 circles to show the 3 different groups. And then in each one, we would have 4 counters. Okay, so 1/3 of it would have just been this one. However, we want to know how many total fish, not just the clownfish. So Cameron has 12 fish in his tank. A pet store has 2 gray rabbits. 1/8 of the rabbits at the pet store are gray. How many rabbits does the pet store have? So again, we're looking at the denominator in our fraction, which is 8. So therefore, we are going to have 8 different groups. And then says in one group there would be 2. So therefore this would be our one group, and each of the other groups needs that same amount. So therefore we would just have 2 times 8. So there would be 16 rabbits at the pet store. Now you need to do numbers 1, 3, 4, 5, and 8. Number 1, Lily has 3 dog toys that are red. 1/4 of all her dog toys are red. How many dog toys does Lily have? First, draw blank circles to show blank equal parts. Next, draw blank toys in blank circle, since blank circle represents the number of red toys. Last, draw blank toys in each of the remaining circles. Find the total number of toys. So Lily has blank dog toys. Number 3, the pet store sells bags of pet food. There are 4 bags of cat food. 1/6 of the bags of food are bags of cat food. How many bags of pet food does the pet store have? Number 4, Rachel owns 2 parakeets. 1/4 of all her birds are parakeets. How many birds does Rachel own? Number 5, there are 18 bottlenose dolphins at an aquarium. 1/6 of them are not adults. How many of the bottlenose dolphins are not adults? Number 8. 2 hats are 1/3 of the group. How many hats are in the whole group?